Hello everyone. Today I'd like to show you in blacktrack how we can generate a word list by simply using a tool called crunch. So you can find this crunch in a directory painters password and crunch. When you go over there, you can see a free file over there. So let us just run the crunch. Yes. Okay, go to current version is 3.2. Okay, for instruction on more instruction on how to use this crunch, you can find in website. I give you the website address is ironbrick.com. You can just copy, you can just input this website in your web browser and you can find out more option of this site. Here is the option, so you can go and have a look on how to use for the more functions. So I will show you the basic of the how to use the crunch. So use crunch, then you just have to specify the file name. File name is okay. Let's just check first. The option is 124, which means character is starting from 1 and ending to the 4 is the length, means length is the 4 character. So let's just keep the file is here. You can see a file gas sector. Let's just open this file, and here you can see a lot of option to keep. So low hex low this and hex over this two will most will be useful when you are creating a word list for your WPA or WPA2 or even a bit cracking. So if you want to crack a Wi-Fi, so this would be more useful. So I just copy this one. It's a file is cache. I just forgot the name. And option is hex lower, and let us save this file in the output -o and just give a output file name is test or anything. Okay, I just made a mistake here. Okay, here you will see crunch will generate the following data. Then you see the following number line is 100%. So let's just go back and test. Here is the file just now we created. Okay, starting from 0. Okay, so just you can just go over here. So, it's taking time. Okay, you can see 4 character is still going down. So you can just go over to this website and have a look for more option. Thank you for watching.